Next thing we're gonna do is put this on the bench, and we have to take and drill these out. So we're gonna attempt to heat them up first, see if they spin out. If not, throw a drill bit at them and hopefully get them out that way and possibly an easy out. So hopefully if this one comes out, 3 would be better because we need 3 to come out. Time to start drilling. Yes, Kasani. So we're all cleaned off and done putting the gaskets in. I have the gaskets here. And I'm still going to use the sealer on them because we never have to go with it again. Joey? Where is it? This guy. Well, we all share. Sharing is caring. I don't know if you guys notice this or not, but he squeezes the middle of the tube instead of the back. This guy. Ugh. And that's it. And wipe it, it'll be nice and clean. What are you doing here, Joey? Breaking these rusted off bolts and stuff. I'm funny. That is legit. Steering cable starts there. See the steering cable on the back there. Bends. Comes through. Big one between all those. All the way up. Do I gotta change this guy's steering too? So the wheel will probably stay. Everything else that's underneath, we'll probably put in as a kit.
Okay, so we'll put one of those big bars in.
If there's a bar in there already, we go with the bar. If it's got rotary in it, which is the disc one,
yeah,
we go with that.
Okay, so you need a rotary?
Yep. Or check underneath there, if we could just do a cable with the adapter piece on it, that'd be fantastic.
Here's a rotary system. And to me it looks like we should just be able to change the cable. So we'll give that a crack right now.
Can you grab me the inch and a quarter wrench? Inch and a quarter.
Top one here, is there a pin that I gotta pull on it somewhere as well, right? Or
Nope,
is this one
no pin on this one. So all we're gonna do is steer their steering wheel, and that'll push the cable out if it's capable of doing it.
Okay, just watch your eyes so you don't pick it in the face. And once we get that cable out, we can turn our attention again to the back.
electrical tape and stuff.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Electrical tape only stays on when you don't want it to. He's got a sliver in his finger. I think he left. Yeah. He left. So you know who you are? Who you are right now? You're the guy.
I'm the guy.
You're the guy pulling that out. He just a sliver. It's probably down for the day. Alright, so everything's been disconnected. It should nicely come out. So far so good. Looks good. Alright, now we got to get a reading off that cable. There should be a white number. And then bring it over. So 13 foot. Right. Should have one of those. Thank God it's not all those 11s that I got rid of. Wait, hold up guys. It might not be 13. We might need a 14 because we have to run it through the engine rather than going through that bracket that was on there. So let's try 14.
This one looks just as good as any. That should be good up here too.
work for me.
Can I turn it in right now?
Okay, yep, and I'm good right here. So we're gonna be coming through the engine. And Joey's good up the front. We're set. 14 was correct. Older version of rotary steering in there, which requires an adapter to utilize the new cable. This simply spins on here, and the cable plugs into here, and that's a retaining clip.
Take this, put it where our old one came off. They're gonna get clean hoses coming here. In the day, our lives are a lot easier. Take off this plastic piece. You want to hold this in your hand so it doesn't get on your customer or on your face. Feed it in, then it's good.